Hello, good morning. Today, July 28, Tuesday. So, yung first client namin dito right now, dito sa Ligid, Tipas, Taguig City. So, we're installing the number one dashcam. Itong number one rear view mirror dashcam ng all about type. Itong Anytek 2K12 dual cam dito sa Civic 2017 model. And nag-request din ng client to use a Lenovo power box. So mas malinis tingnan and mas stable siya compared to sa 12 volt socket plug type. And the dashcam can be operated and can do recording even the engine is off. So yeah, maya maya matatapos na yan. So ini-install na, inaayos na. Then the second client actually taga-Taguig din. It's not really far from this area, no. So actually ganda ng parking nila, oh. Maluwag. So dumating din kami dito sa Ligid Tipas dito sa client 7 a.m. sharp for today. So maaga, we started the operation early today. Then yun, mamaya makikita nyo second client papunta sa other area ng Taguig. See you mamaya ulit sa mga videos.